कोरोना की वजह से काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स को ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि वो इंटरनेशनल प्रॉपर्टी विजिट नहीं कर पा रहे। जैसे कि पाकिस्तान में हमारे पास 3 स्टार 5 स्टार लिविंग अपार्टमेंट है, लेकिन उनको वर्चुअल टूर्स चाहिए। दैट्स व्हाई आई केम टू बिजनेस। Hi, I'm Anis Rahman, CEO Squarebridge Marketing. Basically, I got a call from one of my friend and he told me he's looking for an apartment in Islamabad. Guess what? मैंने उसे सजेस्ट किया टाइम्स स्क्वायर रेजिडेंस and he is shifting from Turkey to Pakistan. तो मैंने उसके स्टैंडर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग प्रोजेक्ट सजेस्ट किया। Let's see, मैं आप लोगों को भी विजिट कराता हूँ। Now we are moving towards the principal architect of Times Square। जिस उनके ऑफिस जाएंगे, उनको पिक करेंगे और मैं थोड़ा सा आप सबको बताना चाहूँगा कि he is graduated from Turkey, यशार यूनिवर्सिटी, and he is the only architect, interior architect in Pakistan। So उनके पास जाएंगे, उनसे जानेंगे प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में और प्रोजेक्ट की डिटेल्स का मज़ीद पता उनसे करेंगे।
Oh, walaikum salam. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Zabardast, Allah ka shukr.
Today we are having a shoot for a vlog. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready and so excited. So let's go.
टाइम स्क्वायर की रेजिडेंस जिस सोसाइटी में मौजूद है, टॉप सिटी 1, वो इस्लामाबाद के सबसे बड़े शाहरा कश्मीर हाईवे पर मौजूद है और न्यू इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट और M1 M2 से सिर्फ 1 से 2 मिनट के फासले पर है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वी आर नाउ इन टाइम स्क्वायर रेजिडेंस। जो मैं आपको बताया था, दिस इज़ द ओनली प्रोजेक्ट इन पाकिस्तान जो 3 स्टार लिविंग अपार्टमेंट के का मंसूबा है। ठीक है, लेट्स सी मज़ीद इनके आर्किटेक्ट से पूछते हैं जो इसके प्रिंसिपल आर्किटेक्ट है एंड ही इज़ क्वालिफाइड फ्रॉम टर्की। तो उनसे मज़ीद पूछते हैं कि वो क्या बताते हैं कि प्रोजेक्ट में क्या क्या अमेनिटीज़ हैं एंड वाई दिस इज़ 3 स्टार लिविंग अपार्टमेंट। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी।
जी वालेकुम सलाम जी। तो बेसिकली व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज टाइम स्क्वायर रेजिडेंस। इट्स बेसिकली 3 स्टार एमिनिटीज़ के ऊपर डिज़ाइन किया गया है, ये इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स के अकॉर्डिंग, जिसमें 3 बेड एग्जीक्यूटिव से लेके 1 बेड इकॉनमी तक है। अगर इसको हम फर्दर जो वो देखें तो इसमें 3 बेड एग्जीक्यूटिव, 2 बेड एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड देन वी हैव 2 बेड इकॉनमी, 1 बेड इकॉनमी एंड ऑल। तो ये बेसिकली इसकी एमिनिटीज़ की वजह से जो वो 3 जो स्टार इसको मिलते हैं। इसका जो 3 स्टार लिविंग का जो हम दावा करते हैं, तो इसको हम आपको जो वो मॉडल अपार्टमेंट दिखाएंगे एंड आई लाइक शेयर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट इट एंड ऑल्सो द बिल्डिंग इज ओवर देयर, सो वी नीड टू गो एंड एक्सप्लोर देयर। सो लेट्स गो। तो अभी हम लॉबी की तरफ आ रहे हैं। वी विल हैव लाइक स्लाइडिंग डोर ओवर हियर, राइट, एंड यू विल जस्ट कम एंटर टू दिस एरिया एंड दिस इज द लॉबी एरिया and we have reception over here and you will just go inside the building through the card swiping machine.
Okay.
And you will tap your card.
Like community.
Yeah, you will need to come inside the building.
Okay.
Through your card. So that is very important for you.
Okay.
And then this is the atrium which is connected to the lobby. And we got inspiration from Pearl Continental Lahore.
Okay.
So you can see the ambience of that space in this space, right?
Okay.
And we have 2 capsule lifts.
Okay.
And 1 cargo lift over there. And we have some glass floors as well. Like we introduced in glass floor in this building as well.
Okay.
And also we would have sensor lights and very smart building.
Basically you guys were talking about कि ये 3 स्टार लिविंग अपार्टमेंट है, सो आई एम मोर इंटरेस्टेड कि मैं मज़ीद जानूँ कि 3 स्टार लिविंग अपार्टमेंट की क्या क्या अमेनिटीज़ है और क्या क्या कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं। जी बताएं थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में
तो
बताएं।
बेसिकली 3 स्टार amenities तो काफ़ी लंबी थोड़ी बात हो जाएगी, बट आई वुड समराइज दिस 3 स्टार concept in this
Okay.
building,
Second.
right? So as I told you, like you will take your card and come enter to the building, right? और उस तरह फिर आपके सेंसर जो लाइट्स का मैंने जिक्र किया, then you would have intercom, parking and swimming pools, right? We have 2 swimming pools in this building, and we have cafeterias, restaurants, and all. So that is like defining it into 3-star amenity building. Acha ji, so we are now here in model apartment, right? So this is basically drawing dining area. This is quite spacious drawing dining area, and we have put like here powder room. That is washroom cum powder room, right?
Okay.
So you can use this space as a 4th room as well, right?
Okay.
If you need it.
Second.
Yeah. So now we would move towards lounge area. This is quite spacious lounge, like huge with 9 seating area,
Okay.
right? So it's quite huge.
ओके
And we have 3 bedroom areas. Achha, so ये first room, as we talked that we have 3 rooms, right? So this is quite spacious room,
Okay.
right? And as you see the interior,
Okay.
interior is inspired by Turkish, right?
Okay.
Furniture and all.
Sahi.
So you can see the quilted bed rest,
Okay.
right? And also the bed style, the motifs,
Okay.
and also this is all inspired by inspired from Turkish, and we would inject this in our interior.
Okay, I've got
Yeah.
one more question for that.
Mhm.
If someone want to go for interior, so
Yes.
do you have some option for that?
Yeah, I will provide the packages to you, right?
Okay.
So the person who is interested
Okay.
in doing Turkish inspired furniture and also the interior,
Okay.
and also we are basically providing modern
Okay.
and also Turkish
Right.
as well. So this is our second room, and this is the best example for the modern and Turkish, the mixture of both. So you can see the lights, which is hanging from the ceiling, and then the furniture design and the special. You can see the spaciousness and the ambience in this room because of the interior and all. And the washrooms are quite spacious, and we have balcony connecting from rooms towards outside. So that is really
Okay.
good.
Basically, मुझे काफ़ी कस्टमर्स की शिकायत आती है कि दे लुक फॉर द ऑप्शन कि जिसमें जो बाहर बैल्कनी वो उतनी स्पेशियस हो कि उसमें पूरी फैमिली बाहर जाके चाय पी सकते हैं. So do we have that accommodation?
Yeah. I'll talk about it. As I talked about it,
Okay.
that we have balcony, which is connected to every majority rooms, right?
Okay.
So you can go outside, and it's really huge. You can see that, you can see over there. So you can see the size of it. This is quite spacious, and you
Okay.
can sit, talk, and you can enjoy samosas and all over there
Okay.
at evening time.
Okay.
Okay, so the kitchen is really based on the modern concept of functionality. Everything is pre-planned and predefined, as we have a stove area which is defined, the dishwashing area, the dustbin area, and then we have refrigerator area over here. So it would be fixed over here, and microwave area and all. So this is looking really modern and functional based kitchen concept. So this is our third room, and this is also very spacious, and I would say all our 3 rooms are really spacious, and the interior of this room is really interesting in terms of modernism, and the language is quite modern.
Guys, hope you liked the vlog, and guess what, I shared this vlog before uploading with my friend and he really liked the concept and he booked the apartment in Times Square Residence. If you have any query regarding Times Square Residence, let me know in the comment section and subscribe for more.